isa ko pang tanong, bakit laging 'pag merong mistake, ang tendency talaga natin humanap ng kung sino yung mali, ano? Laging we are looking for the culprit, we are looking for the scapegoat. Either way, ang hirap dahil instead of finding a solution to the problem, ang hinahanap natin, sino yung masisisi natin. Is it true for me? Oo, ganun din. Kahit sino yata, nagiging ganun yung ugali. Lalo na pagka there is something on the line. It may be a career, it may be something in the family, it may be relationships. And tama naman na there is always someone who made a mistake. Pero kung hanggang doon lang sa pointing at that person para magi siyang scapegoat o kaya malaman lang natin at yung someone na yon para masisi, then it is not an end in itself. Kasi if we just end it right there, ang mangyayari lang, hate. We only hate that person. But as Christians, we should instead have compassion. Magkaroon tayo ng awa sa kanya na nagkakamali. Kasi tayo din nagkakamali. The more that we reflect on God's love, the more that we reflect on God's compassion, the more that we can also reflect on the mistakes of other people. Tayo nagkakamali, sila nagkakamali din. And if God has that compassion for us when we made the mistake, we should also have compassion on other people.